you have to knock person down in order for you to get in line first.
Yeah, that's the toxic kind of business, and yeah, for sure.
So after you left your internship, what was your job plan? What was your, philosophy? How did you?
I was lucky because my fiance at the time, she was flexible because she's a teacher, and she was kind of open to looking at other cities. So I extended my job search outside of just California, and ended up applying to a bunch of places. My job application process was pretty rigorous. I actually wrote a Medium post on it that it was all about volume, and I got some insight from one of my past personal training clients, and he was like, "You're going entry level." He's like, "Just spam as much as you can, applications, LinkedIn applications, all this stuff." And so I put together this plan and executed it, and I ended up getting a call back from a company in Colorado, Boulder. Mm-hmm. Great city.
Yeah. Booming tech.
Yeah.
For sure.
And they were like, "We like your SQL that you have as your background. Here's your screen." And I was like, okay. So I kind of organically went through all the steps, and I was very proud. They gave me an offer, and I was super proud of it because it was the only job that I applied to from resume only to getting the offer that worked. And I was like, yes, this is awesome. And so I went to Etienne, and I was like, "Etienne, I got an offer in Colorado, so I'm gonna have to move." And he's like, "No, you can't leave San Diego." And so he reached out to the CTO network and ended up connecting me with Matt Ferguson at Zito, and interviewed there, and was kind of had the two offers for a while, and was kind of I need to go check out Boulder. So I went and visited, saw the company, and really cool place, but would have just been such a huge life shift.
For sure.
That I was like, I'm going to go with Zito, and stuck here, and took a job there. Yeah.
I think that we've talked about that a lot, the power of that first job offer.
Yeah.
And I love the idea of going back to the internship company that you knew was not necessarily gonna hire you.
Sure.
But using that resource was so smart.
Yeah. He made it very clear from the beginning. He's like, use me, communicate with me, let me know what's going on. And so even early on in the internship, I was already kind of poking him about staying and doing more work at the end of it.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, I did a hackathon with him at the beginning of the summer, this year, and that was a lot of fun. And so just, like you're saying, you build your community, and